We do not know where we are going. What I really want to go through today will be the why behind programming, what is progress, and just what is a program. I am obsessed with programming. I have been obsessed for the last 5 years, and that's what's led me to this. I think about every aspect of it. I break down in my free time. I now luckily get paid for it as well. So that is the best aspect of it. We do not know where we are going. We are acting under uncertainty to guess where we're going to be in the future. So we have some information, some data that we've got over time, experience, and we're just getting all those little points and trying to guess the direction that we're going. There is no answer, but there are good questions. And having those good questions lead us to an understanding and some decisions that we can reflect upon and develop over time. Because we don't want static answers. We want a sort of a decision, and then we want to be okay, did this decision work for us? And then change it over time to make more and more progress. Because that's why we're here, right? We're all trying to lift bigger weights in the competitive exercises. When it comes down to it, more weight on the bar over time is that foundation, that's what we want. More kilos on the bar, first answer.